wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best dinosaur toys. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, for mental stimulation and a more demure playtime activity, try the Melissa and Doug floor puzzle. It boasts 48 extra thick cardboard pieces that aren't too tricky to fit together, and its easy clean surface means you won't have to deal with sticky parts down the line. It measures 2 by 3 feet once assembled and sports original artwork. However, the colors are a bit drab. At number 9, immersive and bright, the 50-piece ultimate educational has everything your little one needs to reimagine the ancient world. Each vibrant hand-painted model is made from BPA-free plastic, and since they have moving jaws, joints and tails, they can walk and eat too. It includes a plethora of trees and rocks, along with a 100% money-back guarantee, but the mat is pretty flimsy. Coming in at number 8 on our list. With the National Geographic Mega Dig Kit, you can excavate 15 ancient specimens from around the world. You'll uncover everything from ammonite and coral to prehistoric shark teeth and dinosaur bones, and they're all actually authentic too. It comes with a 16-page learning guide and a magnifying glass. However, it creates a lot of dust. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dinosaur toys, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Think Gizmos Dino Blaster can transform from a menacing T-Rex into a futuristic gun, complete with flashing lights and shooting sound effects. It's straightforward to assemble and even has a bright yellow screwdriver conveniently stored inside the Tyrannosaurus's mouth. It includes 3 AA batteries and is made from recyclable ABS plastic, but the small parts are easy to lose. Moving up our list to number 6. You can foster your tots' love for bygone creatures while spending quality time together with the Prextex Realistic Assorted, since it comes with an educational full-color booklet that contains information about each 7-inch model, such as their eating habits and habitat. It's the perfect size for little hands and facilitates imaginative play. However, some of the figurines don't stand upright. Halfway up our list at number 5. Since you can configure the flexible, awesome track set in myriad interesting ways, it has an impressive playability value and should keep your child entertained for hours. It arrives with 2 battery-operated cars, 4 dino figures, a bridge, trees, and a double-door entrance. In fact, you get a total of 206 individual pieces, and it fosters creative problem-solving. It's simple to assemble as well. At number 4, an interactive way to break into archaeology, the Dino Discover Kit features 12 eggs that must be chipped away to reveal the colorful figurine and illustrated card hidden inside. Just be sure to lay some newspaper down before you get started, as things can get pretty messy. It incorporates lesser-known species and comes with a dozen brush tools. It's a great activity for students. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Anyone who's ever wanted to morph into a terrifying prehistoric reptile will appreciate the Jurassic World Chomp and Roar, an electronic velociraptor mask that secures comfortably via an adjustable strap. The jaw opens to varying degrees and makes 3 distinct sounds. It features a realistic skin texture and eyes that rove for prey. It's modeled after Blue from the film. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dinosaur toys, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, help your budding paleontologist hone their engineering skills with the LEGO Creator Mighty, a ferocious plaything that can be manipulated into 3 different builds: a pterodactyl, a triceratops, or a fearsome T-Rex. It even comes with its own prey in the form of a rib cage. It includes posable head and joints and helpful step-by-step instructions, along with a bonus Brachiosaurus build. And taking the top spot on our list, offered in Brachiosaurus, Tyrannosaurus and Triceratops variations, the boley Jumbo Monster is a hyper-realistic action figure built to withstand rough play, so your young one can take it with him or her wherever they go. Plus, it's backed by a satisfaction guarantee. It's made from non-toxic materials and is ASTM compliant. It's flexible and soft. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dinosaur toys, or simply click beneath this video.